Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ChexSystems report access after security alerts, full guide step by step clearly. If you've received a security alert regarding your ChexSystems report, follow these steps to restore your access. Begin by visiting the ChexSystems website to find relevant contact information. Look for the customer service section, where you'll find their phone number and email address. Reach out to ChexSystems directly using the provided contact method. Explain the situation clearly, mentioning the security alert you received. Request specific information about your account status. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing personal details like your full name, address, and social security number. Once your identity is confirmed, ask them how to resolve the security issue. Follow any specific instructions they provide to secure your account. Check your email for any additional verification steps or communications from ChexSystems. If necessary, complete any required forms or documentation they send you. After submitting the necessary documentation, wait for confirmation of your account status. While waiting, monitor your email and phone for updates from ChexSystems. Once you've received confirmation that your access has been restored, log into your account. Review your ChexSystems report to ensure all information is accurate. If any discrepancies exist, note them down for further action. If your access is still not restored after following these steps, consider contacting consumer protection agencies for assistance. Maintain records of your communications with ChexSystems should you need to reference them later. Be proactive about monitoring your credit and financial accounts to catch any further issues early. Stay informed about your rights regarding your consumer reports and privacy protections. By following these steps, you can work towards regaining access to your ChexSystems report securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.